The Andes Mountains in Peru have different altitudes, soils and climates. For thousands of years, farmers have developed varieties of potatoes adapted to these conditions. Many rural families eat potatoes every day. Native potatoes are highly diverse and nutritious. However, native potatoes are in danger of being lost because the market prefers just a few high-yielding varieties, mostly to make fried potatoes. Conserve the varieties you do have by planting them and eating them at home. To recover seed of native crops, establish associations with farmers who are interested in conserving them. An NGO can help you get organized. Making an inventory and an illustrated catalogue helps to exchange seed and promote native varieties. Encourage the exchange of native varieties in fairs. It is easier to conserve native varieties if they can be sold. Promote native varieties among consumers and restaurants by organizing markets and fairs and by using social media. By cultivating and consuming more native potatoes, everyone stands to benefit. We will eat better and help to conserve a rich and interesting heritage.